How to use Google Scholar. Step-by-step guide. How to use Google Scholar. Go to Google Scholar, enter the article title, and click Search. For best results, put quote marks around the title. If available, your article should appear as one of the first few results. If you click an article's title, you may be taken to a publisher's site that will ask you to pay for full text. It is important tip that you can also search research paper in Google instead opening Google Scholar website. So let's start. In step 1, you will open Google Scholar website. In step 2, search research paper by writing in Search tab. The search where you can write your research paper, which is Impact of Macroeconomic Variables on Stock Returns Evidence from KSE 100 Index of Pakistan, is bordered with yellow color, and after that you can click Search button, which is bordered with red color. In step 3, the research paper will be displayed on Google Scholar Engine. This article is available in PDF format written in blue color as well, which is bordered with yellow color, where you can download it by clicking on pdfresearchgate.net, and you can also cite article by clicking on Cite tab, which is bordered with red color. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.